Hello students, welcome to COP 1000C. Also welcome to Valencia. Today we're going to be installing DevC++, which is an IDE used for writing, editing, and debugging C programs. To install DevC++, which is one of many different IDE programs or integrative development environments, IDE, an IDE is used to write, test, and debug software programs. In this class, DevC++ will be the IDE of choice. DevC will be used to write and run programs. So let's install DevC++. First, you're going to do a Google search or ask the Google for DevC++, something like this, DevC++, and then hit search. Once you search, you will download DevC++ from sourceforge.net. And that should take you something to projects and Orwell DevC++. There's other places to download this from, but just make sure you get DevC++. Once you search it and click install, you're going to say download. Once you download, it's going to bring you to the CXE down here on the bottom. I believe you click on it and the program will install. As this program is installing, select all the defaults. Just say yes, yes, click, click, select all the defaults. For example, language is English, just say OK. As you install, accept the defaults. Complete DevC++ setup, finish, accept the defaults. You're now ready to write and run C programs. This is what the program looks like. And in the next video, we're going to create a very simple program using DevC++, why do I keep saying CC, to write a short program.